kilasar nga. Matari ko andra may sandren desar nga nanugo sili bali sili. Mata-mata. Eva kila may dabuli wen mbongi batakina matari ko. Haba din lolombo en sese.
Iya, mata-mata serta lang nga may nasisi. Sa ko nga ya.
Witi tahu doko.
Witi
Sa bola
tahu
tung
doko.
order tambanin na kimina di cool at night.
Iya.
Dina.
Bagi lain ng mata-mata.
Right.
Kilan daw na matanggali sabar-sabar untuk mga taga may Filipino sa may mga taga ito ng gulong eh.
Right.
Iya.
Di ko sa mata-mata ba ato may dabuli po.
Right.
Ola ko nga umbiwilo manindo na bokete si daba.
Kampaso na boke de guri.
Kaya mo sangkay na kato na gulong baka may baka takatartaki ko. Nagay pa sa mata kan raking ko ele weekend na batarong ay. Raw baka daw ba muna borata ng batang-bata.
Right.
Iya. Kada ba ito na iwalin ni batang-batang ko adi.
Stokini.
Right.
Stokini, baka isulu tikat na isulu kata-kata.
Iya.
Stokini
What
amanta,
else?
pom-pom ihulunda.
Oh.
Kiti ko nang kanilinga rosar nga bang kanilinga kata-kata.
Okay.
O isulu kata-kata tagi ko babinaka. Ngunuway kata-kata mga lebu.
Double, triple, o...
Double na itutubi. Double man nga sa ruta, sindo tu man nga itutubi binaka,
Right.
tutubi taiga
Oh.
tutubi baba ko binaka. Baka talaki na menta kanito ko nakaka na binga nito kenan raking go.
Go.
Binasara
Para
nga.
soup,
It's very
kata-kata, a lot of vegetables.
Yeah.
Narakago, daw yado ti ko nindong patambatanan rakin. Daw
Yeah.
lilital nga nandong unway.
True. Dina.
Narakago, menta baka mataw ti kanta kina. Bitali ni matambatan, unway ti ko baga wasuma so that you don't get sick.
Dina.
Don't lose weight.
Right. You have to lose weight. Tombale, terreni, borata. Mbita tu kono mo bakasama, like, mbita tu mo bakasama. Iko mo na terreni. Sinito ko ni may matambatan nanda, may nabisota ka na itabi, na nabisinga.
Yeah.
You continue with your exercise and your daily routine, menta, kenda nga menta adjust ti kenda.
Yeah.
We adjust ourselves to the weather pattern,
Dono.
to the climate that we are facing.
This
Merawan
weather-
ni talan nono kina nang garami tabi.
This weather bring dryness to your body.
Right, oil. Buy a lot of oil. Lotion.
Oil, if you oil a minute, will become dry.
Did yourself.
Vaseline. Look, today is Sunsilk and
Yeah.
Vaseline Day.
See?
At Fiji Showcase.
Right.
There is a lot of cream lotion available there
Yeah.
that you can use. Rong the glow.
Yeah.
Pero betal dati kumatangani kwa. Iko morotangani na matagalilay. Throughout the day, you will glow.
See?
Shiny.
You'll glow and glucose in your body.
Right.
Because that's why the sweetness of your body will be coming.
Right.
Don't ever lose this time of drinking water.
Right.
A lot of water is needed in our body.
Right.
If you are cold, your body is not withstand with the kind of weather. So
Yes.
you have to drink a lot of water.
Yes.
Because if no,
Yeah.
you will dry.
Right. That's true. That's true.
Ilan no,
Yeah.
na bang takina oy wire ka pa meron ta kata-kata kina. O sa tugon sarami demes you did yourself.
Huh?
Did yourself.
Did the baby oil. Then carry to the family of the Lokia to Suba transportation. Ben tarim bola belaka bikin dalian bin grabe.
Try to be famous and did yourself.
Bola belaka.
You always say that you don't like blanket in the night. And how come you change that scenario now?
Oh, I love blanket.
Yeah.
But
And that mo.
Taon na mo meto.
Now is saying, batabatango in yasya sa bagara,
Wow.
Yeah.
pinaga nga na human blanket taon de Messi.
Sabi na wala
Okay.
usang tao.
Wow. Hold on. What causes this kind of weather, Demis?
Okay. If you go around the world,
Right.
this is the season where ice is coming. And the ulutukin na snow, So New Zealand is where a place most of all and the ulutukin and the ubakalekin ng bata-bata. So we are close to New Zealand. We are close to Australia. That windy weather.
Yes.
That windy, that kind of weather, that close to us. Baka nga ni on tak to na aircon in this room. What will happen if you are standing in this room close by, you can feel
Right.
the weather. So this cool weather condition in Fiji are primarily caused by the arrival of cool, dry air masses driven by high pressure system located to the southeasterly winds blow dominate during Fiji dry season May to October.
Right.
Baba kami bulay luna.
Yeah.
Every time
Right.
you'll see the weather, this kind of weather
Yeah.
is very dry.
Bulay daw.
Bulay luna.
Okay. Ano de bulay luka?
Bulay luka me sisis. Some of us in this kind of weather, they are like farmers.
Right.
Yeah.
Go nangaw na daw makot sa sarkin na titi na farmers
Yeah.
because they don't do kinabakali buna were because some of
The heat from the sun, we can feel it, that much, eh?
So
Alam yung mata-mata tungan ng rakit, tali ito, yo.
So na do nan rakingo go mate automatically.
Right.
Correct.
NITT.
Yeah.
And daw umber talaga na tumbunite.
Dina.
Daw umber kina tumbunido.
Right.
Yeah, after this, ganda ono may nabulay kanre. Ya ka be madha na were ya.
Di na, sir.
Daw totoo sa akin na this one is a very slow movement. Baka daw lay baka whole kaya naman nga natamatambo sa kanya.
Yeah.
We will be not in the process of
Right.
furthermore.
Is it good to go to the sea and the fish?
This kind of weather too will be lebunangaw ng daun raba.
Right.
Oi.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, the wind ranu too.
Yeah.
We will asking ourselves where the fish going to. They have brain cell too.
Yeah.
They are running for their life in this kind of weather.
Uy.
Yeah.
Ayaw, sir, nga ya.
So talaga na ika sa bakaso ng karibaya naman na.
Yeah.
They will nangunang ko daw lalakin.
Right. Okay, how come some of the boys and the men drinking grog at night without any shirt on? And the boy, what's so special about them?
The scale is above their skin. Sa baba kuna kani, because the only thing that can make us sick is the skin.
Right.
Skin that have pores.
Right.
So if you are kani sa baba kuna kulinyangom, you are tough enough to process in this weather.
Right.
Ha?
Kasama mo ko lang siltal eh.
Ha? Baba ko mali sila tali. Sila tali pero orang to mo na may matiniwan. Pati na mo, good morning to you all.
Do animals too feel this weather?
Animal, era baba ko.
Yeah.
They have
Right.
a thick skin.
Yeah.
They can feel this kind of weather. We have to worry. Drive slowly. Gor na tukin ang bulmakaw na bay tolingon ni sala because they want to feel the hotness
Right.
of the tasil.
Yeah.
Garaw na kaya baka ko sa revo tunimbong na muna rin tukin ang bulmakaw. You have to be careful.
Last one.
And
Last
something that is different about these animals
Yeah.
is that they have fur, eh?
Yeah.
That keeps them warm, and also like they are designed. God made them in such a way that they are able to withstand any kind of weather.
Yeah.
That is why they are special.
Last question for you, Dennis, this morning.
You see that-
What is the best thing during this weather?
The best thing during this weather.
Best thing to do,
Yeah.
The best thing to do
Farm.
in the
farm.
don't farm.
Oh.
May farm na ngona da ba? Nanraking ko eh.
Where tumatanga?
Nimbongi.
Oh.
He asking a question that will this weather. So that means
Up to you.
yeah. The best thing to do in this weather
Yeah.
Yeah.
is to be western.
God na kato.
God na kato. Mas kamay na public. Ano ko nagarakato? Nilaw pa bombo. Abang ako na italo ya. Altong basi kami na matalalo sabi ka de ombo na ba merto sa levata wa.
Yeah.
Alam mo na tulog kan lulu. Duba kede tu. Duba kede. Lako mo ka matani kali, lako mo ka iro. Arir to duba tu. Akila ombo sa lutung. Aleo tindo ne o siro ne o se la renga na tu. Are kami do maso di kami do mo.
Yanra.
Di na, sir.
Lain belaw rin di kanta mo do yan na karena ita take away coffee.
Yeah.
Nato batin ngon sala turang na ita inay lang nos len tele go.
Sandina.
Anaw.
Santi na boto na serve to
Always
tim
nice.
nos len kay neighbor ni bola lilay.
Yanra.
Pati kay Ben.
Ha.
O serem pa kita lang sa matong minggo yan rebinaka.
Pwede buhaus.
Pati nanggolo yan rebinaka.
Isa.
Nathangili abu kini buhay, dry and scales. Yan rebinaka Walma.
Iya. Rakingon da ko ni bewalitaka. Kaya baka kung mo sangat ko na mo din doon, besto ni Indian dapo patikerto may bale. Ngonang ko mo dapo patikerto.
How about the Ndawais, Nemesi? I
Yes.
feel for them. I can feel their, what you call it?
O Hernandaway.
Yeah, loneliness.
Loneliness.
Yeah.
Looking for that, that...
Human
that,
blanket.
Yeah, that heat, that small kata-kata.
Ay ngo irango itu saratu ida kena kokonon rabaka sama mabikin. Hernandaway.
Yeah.
Nangono sa every question has a answer.
Right.
Tapi katumba tau doko esongo eronindola. Ke sapatu ya na principle nimbule na buru-burungo. Kendo na kesaraw nan ro maybe kuatara na bali bebe su tuno ko ni nasingan indora ni romay kesaraw ni romay ka indua kenang bale oir napakasama ni tamat indua tan nandawai ni sata songo napakasama ni sasanga mebanggare na kata-kata oir reti ko sarilaki rangora kunea na iwali kelengan ilenga keba kamanda ngesot na yangona keba kasama danawai odin na basika oir nandawai keba ka usasigan ni kunea redelengango nandawai keba kan do gorog bata kendra kim bata ona lutu-lu ko bakawati sendambe ngondawai
Wango, doon daw ay mena koro. Sa kilaw ko ni betan rebolelay. Basik may suba.
masuk ana bangkar lah
Ano ba mo mawili binabalom sa ito?
gong tanpa morto menabua mo de tugur menabua ara tamu sini rin ko may wala na bu
Melinada lewat kalau mau Espanya
ko sa
benaka.
bangkar ko do na matana
Wey, naka like hat kena share. Bukan tambah segini kuah. Maro curang bola, bekerja sa tos curang bagin bola.
Tuku no kuku ruang na kaya kuku ko je kau lela go.
Iya.
Kayo kuku na sang ni mate na tomate na tuku lebo na mate nga na bata-bata. So, no bath yani.
dinan
Bukan dah. Sebenarnya showcase and sing benari kuah. Kau kurmundu.